Hi guys. In previous session we saw that how to create a user. Okay guys. So right now already have one shell script file. Let me delete this one rm space hyphen rf user creation file. Now guys. See guys it's empty. So how you can get this code to create a file, shell script file and how to create a user by using shell script file. Okay guys, see here I have that one shell script file in my GitHub account. So this is my GitHub user and repository. Guys, you can fork or else you can click on this one file. Now select this content and copy this one and now move to your Linux machine. Now you can create one file with the name of any name dot sh file. In my case, I am going to creating one user hyphen creation dot sh. Now be in the insert mode, paste here whatever you have taken from the GitHub. Now escape shift colon double key save and exit. Now give the permission chmod u plus x user creation. Now we have given permission for executing. Now okay, let me show you that cat space slash etc pass wd. Okay guys, these all are my existing users. Normal user starts from 1000, 1001 and 1002. Now I'm going to creating one new user, Cloud DevOps. With the name of Cloud DevOps, I'm going to creating one file, one user. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Dot slash user creation. Now it's asking username Cloud DevOps. Next, full name. Now it's asking that home directory. Just hit the enter. Automatically, it will take that slash home Cloud DevOps. Now it's asking password. You can assign whatever you want, and it's asking confirmation. Just okay, retype the given password. Okay, successfully we have created. Now cat space slash etc pass wd. See guys, we have created 1003. Okay, successfully we have created with the name of Cloud DevOps. Okay, this is the process to create a user. Okay guys, so once again I'm showing you that this is my GitHub repository. You can take this code from my GitHub repository. Okay guys, thank you. And guys, please subscribe my channel, share and like guys. Thank you.